Good day. Today we're going to report Jose Rizal and Philippine nationalism. The objectives to understand the role of Jose Rizal in Philippine nationalism, identify official and unofficial symbols, explain why Rizal is considered a national symbol, recognize values learned from Rizal's life.
Jose Rizal and Philippines nationalism. Rizal is a national symbol. Jose Rizal is a national symbol because he showed love for the Philippines through his writings and peaceful actions. He represents Filipino pride, unity, and the desire for freedom and justice. Second is the role in nationalism. Rizal helped awaken nationalism by teaching Filipinos to value their rights and identity as a nation. His ideas encourage people to work together and fight for reforms in a peaceful way.
National symbols highlighting their role in representing ideals, cultural beliefs, and national identity, as well as their importance in preserving culture and heritage. It also lists several official national symbols of the Philippines, including the Filipino language, Sampaguita, Naira, Philippine Eagle, Philippine Pearl, and Arnis, along with their associated meanings.
Filipino is the national language of the Philippines, serving as a unifying voice for its diverse people, and is officially based on Tagalog but enriched with words from other Philippine languages, Spanish and English, symbolizing national identity, cultural unity, and independence after colonial rule. Its vibrant, evolving language distinct from Tagalog, a major regional language, but built upon it facilitating communication across the archipelago and representing a shared Filipino heritage. Sampaguita, the national flower of the Philippines, symbolizes purity, simplicity, devotion, and strength. Its name derived from Sumpa Kita, I promise you, representing love and fidelity. It's deeply embedded in Filipino culture, used in garlands for altars, welcoming guests, and expressing prayers signifying humility and spiritual connection.
Third official national symbol is Nara. Nara is the national Philippines tree. It represents strength, durability, and resilience because the wood is hard and long-lasting. Just like the Filipino, stay strong through challenges. The fourth is the Philippine eagle is the national bird. It symbolizes freedom, power, and bravery. It is one of the largest and strongest eagle in the world, showing the greatness and pride of the Filipino spirit.
Philippine Pearl, the beauty and rarity. The Philippine Pearl is a precious gem that comes from the clean and warm waters of the Philippines. It is known for its beauty, quality, and rarity, especially the famous South Sea pearls. More than just jewelry, the Philippines pearl symbolizes the country's natural weight and potence and resilience, showing how something beautiful can be performed over time through care and perseverance. Ernest, discipline and materials art traditional. Ernest is the national materials art of the Philippines. It is a teach itself defense using stake and handswell, promoting discipline and respect more than sport. Ernest reflect the bravery, reliance, and pride of the Filipino people.
This report focuses on three unofficial national symbols of the Philippines, while not made official by law. These symbols are very important because they are deeply connected to Filipino culture, farming, and daily life. So, ang first is Carabao. What it represents? So, nag-represent siya sa hard work. Ang iyang importance is the Carabao is often called the national animal. And formally, it is the most important farm animal. Farmers are used it to plow fields and carry heavy loads. Ang iyang symbolism is it shows the hard work and patience of Filipino farmers. It stands for dedication and resilience of the Filipino people. So, ang Next is mango. What it represents. So, nag-represent siya sa sweetness and agriculture. Ang iyang importance is the Philippines is famous worldwide for the quality and sweet taste of its mangoes. Ang iyang symbolism is the mango is a symbol of the country's agriculture and rich natural resources. Its sweetness can also represent the kind and warm hospitality of the Filipino people. Ang next is bangus. What it represents. So, nag-represent siya sa well-known national fish. Ang iyang importance is bangus is one of the most popular and important fish raised in the country, often found in fish ponds. It is a main food source and big part of the fishing industry. Ang iyang symbolism is as well-known fish. The bangus shows the country's connection to the sea and the importance of its marine resources for food and livelihood. So, the Carabao mango and bangus show that Philippine nationalism and identity are not just about heroes or the flag. They are also found in everything that represent the hard work, richness, and way of life of the country. These unofficial symbols hold in the shared values and experiences of the Filipino people.
Values from Rizal's life. First, patriotism. Rizal showed patriotism by using his knowledge and writings, especially No Limitangere and El Filibusterismo, to awaken Filipino nationalism and promote peaceful reform. His love for the country was expressed through education, truth, and commitment to national progress even at the cost of personal sacrifice. Second, faith in God. Rizal's deep faith in God guided his principles and strengthened him during hardship, imprisonment, and exile. His trust in divine providence shows how spiritual grounding provides inner strength, moral direction, and resilience in times of uncertainty. Third, love of fellow men. Rizal showed compassion by advocating for equal rights, education, and dignity for all Filipinos. His free medical services in Dapitan reflected his genuine concern for others, proving that loving one's fellow men means helping improve their lives and standing against injustice.